Oh my God, what just happened? Oh my God. Dangerous Idiots, Fastest Trucks, and Heavy Equipment Failures explores the dangerous situations that come with transporting heavy equipment and massive trucks. The silly mistakes made by inexperienced drivers can sometimes lead to dangerous accidents. Even the fastest trucks face the challenge of hauling massive loads, creating some breathtaking moments on the road. The gentle slope, although not too steep, with the weight of the mud hopper, became a huge challenge. In particular, the two sides of the road were mountainous hillsides, making the space heavy and quiet, increasing the tension. The drivers had to be extremely careful, controlling each vehicle meticulously to avoid losing control, while the workers stood at a distance to monitor every movement, ready to assist when necessary. These tractors, although designed to be strong, still had to face the harshness of the terrain, creating an impressive sight of effort and close coordination in transporting a giant piece of equipment uphill. The C4301 vessel transport was a remarkable project undertaken by Energy Transportation, Inc., in which the company transported a massive C4301 vessel over a long and challenging distance. The project required close coordination between multiple departments and the use of specialized equipment to ensure safe and efficient transportation. Given the enormous size of the vessel and the high technical requirements, Energy Transportation, Inc. implemented a detailed plan, including route surveys, working with authorities and escort services, and ensuring that all safety standards were met. This is a testament to the company's professionalism and exceptional experience in the heavy lift transportation industry.
Subscribe to my channel.
Stop it. Oh no, what happened to the bus driver? Oh my God, what just happened? Oh my God. This car probably wants to try the feeling of flying with the wind, but forgot the rear bridge. Changing lanes like this can only be called dancing around on the road, not only dangerous for yourself, but also causing trouble for others. Reckless driving not only puts you in danger, but can also put others in danger. Always observe and obey traffic rules because a moment of inattention can cost you dearly. Always keep a safe distance and pay attention to the turn signals of the vehicle in front. Slowing down in time not only helps avoid collisions, but also protects the safety of yourself and other road users around you.
Moi, je sais pas qui arrive à rentrer où, mais
The giant convoy transporting a drying tower from Baignon to Elvin since Thursday morning passed through Malestroit without any issues on Friday. The event attracted hundreds of onlookers along the route, who gathered to witness the impressive procession as it made its way through the town. The convoy's smooth journey highlighted the precision and coordination required for such a large-scale operation, drawing significant attention from the local community.
Sa vache, elle m'empêche de voir
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
The driver's skill, experience, and dexterity in driving the giant transformer truck through the curve and narrow bridge were truly impressive. The driver meticulously controlled every movement, from slowing down when approaching the curve to steering the truck to avoid obstacles on both sides of the road. In particular, when having to go through the narrow bridge right at the curve, the driver focused highly on controlling the speed and steering direction, ensuring the safety of both the goods and the vehicle. Concentration and many years of experience helped the driver complete the task safely and effectively. Advice for drivers: reduce speed when cornering and keep a safe distance to avoid unwanted dangerous situations like this.
Dạ nói rồi nó hỏi em lên thêm dưới rồi. Qua luôn.
A 20-meter high iron crane was mobilized to the scene to salvage the truck that fell into the river during the bridge collapse. While lifting the truck out of the water, the crane suddenly shook violently. Just a moment later, the crane suddenly broke in half while bringing the truck to shore, causing both the crane and the truck to fall straight into the river, causing everyone to panic. The accident caused the crane to break completely. The truck was also severely damaged, but fortunately there were no casualties.
Quá ok luôn. Không hay. Đợi.
Wagenborg Netlift completed an impressive operation by transporting a 240-ton vibratory hammer using their powerful MAN TGX 41.680 V8 ballast tractor and a 12-axle Schurl. The heavy transport was carefully brought to the quayside, where it was taken over by cranes hired from Nederhof and Boekstein. Nederhof used their impressive Demag AC650 crane, while Boekestein deployed their Liebherr LTM 1500 to lift the vibratory hammer into the inland ship's hold with extreme precision. The operation required perfect coordination and cooperation between the different teams, where Wagenborg Netlift's heavy transport expertise combined with the power of the cranes ensured the job was done perfectly. Wagenborg Netlift and Bremen Machinery are responsible for transporting large components of a project to the port, where Barneveldse Kraanverhuur will load them onto a ship. The transport starts in Genemuiden, a town in the north of the Netherlands, and ends in IJmuiden, a major port near Amsterdam. The companies work closely together to ensure that the transport and loading process is safe and efficient, ensuring that large cargo arrives at the right place at the right time. Impressive, impressive, really impressive. Seeing this scene, I couldn't help but come up with a bunch of scenarios and questions in my head. How interesting. Maybe I'll get stuck behind this giant truck on my way to work. Haha. But seriously, this is amazing. This is a huge job. I'm also trying to move a building, and people say it's too big. However, after seeing the size of this building, I have to admit that my building looks like a child's toy compared to it. Impressive. I'm sure this company must have some kind of special insurance policy, and there will definitely be traffic problems when moving this house. There may be obstacles from the DOT or roadblocks. I wonder if moving this house is cheaper than building a new one. And when it's under such great pressure, will its structure still be stable? It's really too risky. The sight of the workers working under the house made me nervous. I bet they used a lot of gas to move this house. Just thinking about it makes me sweat. And if I were a millionaire, would I be able to move my house across the country for people to admire 24 hours a day?
ये बाइक टूटी हुई नहीं है।
The tractor lost control and crashed into a house on the side of the road, causing panic among many people. Fortunately, no one was injured. The damage was mainly to property. The incident is a lesson in traffic safety, reminding everyone to obey traffic rules to avoid unfortunate accidents. Tumen deployed the 10-axle maneuver MPL trailer to transport components of a magnetically coupled train manufactured by Max Bogle for a test track at Hamburg Steinwerder. 4 mobile cranes and 2 10-axle Newt-boom semi-trailers were used for the task. The 90-ton components were transferred from the train to the trailer, which was then carefully transported and unloaded at the Ellerholzhoft destination in Hamburg Steinwerder. The transport, which took place in July 2021, not only required precision in handling the heavy loads, but also demonstrated the professional operational capabilities of the team involved.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
Transporting Verolas for the Pescadero Ituango hydroelectric project in Colombia is an incredibly complex and challenging task. The Verolas, large steel pipes, are manufactured and fabricated in factories before being transported to the construction site. Due to the enormous size and weight of each Verola, transporting them through the winding, narrow mountain passes with steep cliffs on one side and deep ravines on the other is a huge challenge. These routes require drivers to have a strong will, extensive experience, and outstanding skills to control the vehicle through each dangerous bend and narrow road without encountering any problems. This is truly a job that requires high concentration and a strong spirit to ensure that the Verolas are transported safely to their destination.
así como va Juan Carlos.
Copyright disclaimer: Turbo Talk does not fully own the material presented in this video. The content belongs to the individuals or organizations who rightfully deserve recognition. We are using this material under the copyright disclaimer, Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, which permits fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. This statement is made to ensure transparency and respect for copyright. We understand the importance of balancing creators' freedom of expression with the protection of copyright holders' rights. We aim to create an environment where both can coexist, allowing the free flow of ideas and creativity. We also make sure that this video complies with YouTube's community guidelines in terms of service, including respecting copyright laws and encouraging the promotion of original content. Our goal is to provide high-quality content that respects content creators' rights and contributes positively to the YouTube community